Hello guys, good morning. Today is Saturday and I woke up thoda sa jaldi, thoda time se, so I thought I'll utilize this time and create a video. In my last video, you must have heard me talking about how I am trying to maintain my skin. How is it that I'm managing my dark circles? I've managed to reduce it. So today's video is on one such topic. It's about my morning skincare routine, majorly about ice facial or rubbing eyes, whatever you call it, is something which I am like swearing by these days, and trust me, it's giving me wonderful results. So that's gonna be one important part of my morning skincare. So let's begin with it, and to start my skincare, I'm going to first cleanse my face with a very light cleanser, which is none other than Sebamed. Now this is a drugstore product which is prescribed to me by my dermatologist. Now this Sebamed is easily available on all the drugstores, pharmacy. This is ideal for skin which is acne prone, oily. It tends to dry out your skin a bit, so I'm not sure how will it work on a dry skin, but yeah, very useful for oily skin and combination skin, and also if you have an acne prone skin. So make sure if you're using this product, do not use it more than once in a day. It maintains your 5.5 pH balance, also controls the formation of new pimples. Since today is Saturday, it's a chutti day, so I'm gonna add one more step, which is exfoliating your skin, or you also call it scrubbing. So I'm using this scrubber from Ever Youth, which is a walnut scrub. It removes your dead skins and blackheads. I'm gonna quickly complete these two steps. I'll see you guys for my third step. So yeah guys, I have washed my face and done little exfoliation. After that, I'm gonna move on to step number 3, which is like doing wonders for me on my skin these days, which is rubbing eyes. I call it ice facial. I do it both in the morning and at night once. So yeah, so I will take 2-3 cubes of ice in a bowl and I'll simply start rubbing. Now there are many ways of doing this step. Either you can take an ice cube just like I'm doing and kind of start rubbing on your face and feel the ice cube go slow. So one is this, that you take an ice cube and kind of start rubbing on the entire face, and I try to keep it for a few seconds under my eyes, and then take it to my cheeks and keep it a little under my eyes, to give that cold press kind of a feeling above my eyes, on my forehead, with a very light hand. I'll keep rotating it like this. The size of the ice cubes is very small that I'm using, so I take 2 to 3 ice cubes. Basically, I want to give it a nice ice facial to my face. I do this both in the morning and at the night. Now what you can do is, if you feel this step is not very comfortable for you, in a big bowl, what you can do is that fill an ice cold water and dip your face into it and take it out. That is also one way of doing it. So my dermatologist also suggests me to do a cold compress, which means that dip a towel into ice cold water and press it on your face. So I do that also at times, but this is much more convenient to me, and this gives me much better results. So I'll talk about what benefits that I'm getting from this ice facial is, first of all, whenever I do it, my skin feels fresh. It depuffs my skin. If you see, when you wake up in the morning, your eyes feel little swelled up, your face feels little puffed, when you wake up. So it kind of wakes up your skin feels fresh. Then there is a good blood circulation that happens onto your skin. It definitely kind of helps with acne. So it dries out the acne in case you have it on your face. It tones your skin, it tightens your skin, it kind of closes the pores. It's a very good step as a toning if you want to put it in your daily habits and skincare routine. Now there are different ways of doing ice facial. You can pick up good kitchen ingredients as well and kind of freeze them and use that as an ice. One can be a rose water. You can just fill the ice tray with the rose water rather than regular water, and once it gets freezed, and you can use those rose water ice cubes on your face and rub it. So it'll be so refreshing to your face. Similarly, you can take tomato juice, you can take a cucumber for that matter, you can freeze those things and use it on your face. So I keep doing that, but on a regular basis, when you do not have time and you just want to do a step and want to stay like consistent and make it a like regular habit, then this is like handy. Take out the ice tray from your refrigerator, and then from your freezer, basically put some 2-3 ice cubes in a bowl and just start rubbing it on your face. So that's what I do, and trust me, it feels really good. And also it has really helped me to reduce my dark circles. It eases kind of any kind of discomfort that you're facing on your face. It really, very importantly, it releases your stress. Your face feels so calm, your skin feels so refreshing. Trust me, I'm talking so much about ice facial because I am experiencing those results. Moving on to fourth step, I'll just clean this, wipe it a little with towel. I will not like drag towel on my face and just pat it dry. Before I move on, if you can see, my face gets that instant glow when I rub ice. Look at the freshness that comes on the face. All the puffiness has kind of gone, and you feel so stress-free, relaxed, refreshing, etc. So I'm gonna lock this refreshment, I'm gonna lock this therapy that I've given to my skin with a good moisturizer. So yes, step number 4 is none but a moisturizer, and you have seen in all my videos that I swear by this moisturizer, which is from Neutrogena. I absolutely love Neutrogena products. It's an oil-free moisturizer with SPF 15, and it is again basically for acne-prone skin. So it doesn't kind of clog pores. It's non-comedogenic. So I love this moisturizer. It's very light on my face. So if you feel that you have an oily skin and you do not feel you do not need moisturizer, that's absolutely a myth and a wrong understanding. Every skin needs moisturization, every skin needs hydration. We feel that if we have a dry skin we need moisturizer, but oily skin doesn't. No, oily skin definitely needs moisturizer. So yes, I'm gonna apply a generous amount on my face. After doing a nice facial, when you touch your face skin, even while I'm applying a moisturizer, your skin feels so tight and toned and like nice to your fingers. So you see the benefits like instantly, right? So yeah, I'm gonna lock it all with a nice moisturizer. Please pick and choose the moisturizer which suits your skin. I am in no way kind of influencing you guys or promoting any kind of a product, but yes, I'm using all these products which suits my skin. Now last step is something which I do is to basically fight my acne. This has been prescribed to me by my dermatologist. It's a face clean gel. It's a clindamycin gel. You call it clindamycin and nicotinamide gel, and any medicated product, use it only if it is prescribed to you. All right, so yeah, I'm just showing you because I wanted to show you the complete skincare that I do. So yeah, just in a while when moisturizer gets absorbed in my skin, I apply this for 1 hour and I leave it on my skin for 1 hour, and then I'll wash my face without using any cleanser, any face wash, just with a splash of water on my face, and that's it. So that's what my skincare routine is. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye guys.